Hello, hello, hello. This is your boy 1 out of 20%, and we're here today for another market recap. Today was a very exciting day with a lot of up and downs, and I can admit today was a day where I felt pressured. I felt a little bit pressured because of how the market was moving and everything. And honestly, apart of that, it was a good day for trading actually, even though there was some fundamentals. So today, last night the market closed above the 21,923. So the market for the last couple of days it's been going up. So it's been hiking a little bit, and last night closed above the 29.23. So my bias for the day was to take in longs only. Um, as the market opened today, uh, I have decided I have decided to take longs, but I also saw few opportunities to take some shorts. So as the market opened, I realized that last night the market pulled back and closed above, and this morning the market was trying again to going up and then going down. So as soon as before the market opening, I have decided to take a short. The market went up against me, but because I knew that the rotation would fail at some point, I decided to take another short. As the market went up, trying to reach a previous high, so the buyers they failed, and the market went all the way down below the VWAP, and I've decided to flatten my position. Until here, I was positive. Okay, uh, probably around 50 something dollars. I was okay, fine, but I wanted more because, of course, $52 is okay, but the market would give me more opportunities. All right, so on the pullback, I saw the market start trading above the VWAP. Yesterday, when I was taking this trade over here, the reason why I was confident to let the market go a little bit further down was because I saw the market start trading below the VWAP. I think this is something that some people knows, some traders know. So if the market is start trading or creating some a little bit of rotation below the VWAP, it is good. So it depends of the circumstances, but for this occasion in specific, the market was start trading below the VWAP and wasn't touching the average price again. The same thing happened here today. So instead, the market start closed above the VWAP and start trading up. But as soon as the market start trading above the VWAP, I thought the market would carry on going, but something that I missed was I missed these two rotations, so I forgot the market rotate twice but failed. So trying to achieve the previous high, they failed. So even though when the market sometimes rotate twice, and our bias is to take long, doesn't mean the market will complete the rotation or will try to pull back and go up. It depends. There is a lot of things that happens on the market, so we cannot predict. For this instance, I was wrong. I took one long in here, the market went against me. So when I saw this little spike, because there was for this one, I was checking on the cumulative delta, and I noticed that the market had a little spike, but there was no sellers involved on the movement, just buyers. So I said, okay, so the market probably they're trying to push the market down, but they will go up again, and they did actually. I took some shots. I took some long positions, one over here, another one. And the market, in fact, start having full buyers getting on the market, and the market at this point was in my favor. So they start trading above the VWAP again, but this was just a last attempt to get some value from here. But I didn't realize that I should have taken my position here, and maybe go home with another $150, which was okay. Complementing with the previous 50 was fine. But then I didn't take my position thinking that the market could go up, and in fact did go up. I would be in a severe drawdown over here until the market goes up, and I would make my profit anyways, but it would take longer than I was expecting. So as soon as I took another shot and I saw the market start trying to going back to the previous high, which was this one, I noticed that the interest was vanishing bit by bit. So there was a little bit of buying, a little bit of buying, but then sell a step on the market. I didn't take my position straight away, and that was my mistake. So as soon as the market started turning below the VWAP, once again confirmation, I saw an aggressive selling. At this point, when I was checking the Forex Factory, the news have been released, and the selling was so aggressive. Aggressive was There was an imbalance towards downside, and my threshold was around $1,000, but I didn't let reach the $1,000. As soon as I saw this aggressive selling, I bailed out around here, and I applied several contracts just to take advantage of the imbalance, and then this position alone granted me around 3,000 and something dollars. But because I had a little bit of drawdown, around seven or 800 pounds, something like that, all of that together gave me a final amount of $1,628 for both accounts that I was trading. So each one of the accounts had this amount. Because I was a little bit anxious about this trading, I actually didn't let the market go down completely. I didn't finish the rotation because my target was to go to the other side of this little CVA, this composite value area. So as soon as the market finished the rotation, I flat my position, and I just closed my position, and that was my trading day. The things, good few things that I would like to highlight on the trade of the day was, first of all, pay attention most of the times for the rotation as usual, but also trying to be a little bit cautious when the market starts trading around the VWAP, because we need to understand where is the market coming from. So the market was coming from here. The market was trading from downside going up, trying to achieve the previous CVAs, but failed, and then was trying again. But if the rotation failed, of course they would try to once again retest or going back to the previous value area, which was this one down here. And the second one is lose to win. So what I'm trying to say with this is, sometimes it's better for you to cut off your trade halfway through. If you see the movement is going against you, just cut the trade halfway through and apply uh, another contract to another position. In this case, I saw the market going against me. My threshold was $1,000, but before I get to the $1,000, I have decided to cut off the movement and apply contracts towards just following the trend. Some people say following the trend, but it's not always following the trend, because it was a very risky movement today. Because what could happen was, by the time I was changing my narrative during that moment, so having a quick response to the market's condition, imagine if I put, let's say, 10 contracts, the market goes down and then goes up against me. So I would have a severe drawdown, and probably just my both of my accounts that I was trading, the challenge would be done from there. So, but because I didn't take that, because I was sure that the market was going down, therefore I took that risk. I don't advise anyone to take this risk from time to time, but when is necessary, trying to see the narrative of the market, so the market condition. For in this case, for example, that was a severe imbalance. The market was aggressively going imbalance, so I cut it off halfway through, apply few contracts and make my profit. So I could have waited for the pullback, but I would be probably here for the entire day, and most likely I wouldn't make the profit that I did today. So even though I lost, at least I made profit, and I made more profit than I lose. So this is the reason why I said sometimes it's better for you to lose to make profit. But yes, today that was the trading today. Um, it was a little bit of risky, but it was worth it. So things to bear in mind: always identify the rotation, see where the market is trying to go when it's trading below or above the VWAP, and if necessary change the narrative of the market. So I would sell if at the beginning, if I didn't get on these positions to get filled towards upside. Let's say if I was to take shorts, I would take shorts only when the market was breaking this LIS. I should apply my own strategy or my own bias, but I didn't because I was already on the trade. But if I was starting from fresh and getting on the market during that period, this is what I would do. But yes, so apart of that, it was a very positive day. $1,600 in my account. That's awesome. I'm happy. So for a trading day, coming from minus 700 to 1,600 positive for me is the best. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment on the section below. To get the tools that I trade with, there is all of them in the description. Feel free to holler at me if you need any question, if you need anything about the tools, just let me know. I'll be here to help you. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, a good evening actually, because it's evening time now in UK. So yes, take advantage of the rest of the day. Thank you guys. Bye.